Hi, today I want to talk about how to resolve carpal tunnel syndrome. My name is Dr. Lori Cayley. I am a functional medicine practitioner, and I help women who have thyroid conditions to reverse their thyroid condition naturally so that they can experience optimal health and get their lives back. I want to talk about carpal tunnel syndrome today because I work with women who have thyroid conditions, and it is a common symptom of hypothyroidism to experience carpal tunnel. So I'll talk about a case study. There was a client, she still is a client. Her name is Debbie, and she came in or consulted with me because she has a thyroid condition and she has carpal tunnel. So she put in her health history that she had been suffering from this for quite a while, and she had pain in her first, second, third, and half of her fourth finger. Had been going on for several months, and she went to an orthopedic surgeon. They gave her anti-inflammatories and they gave her a wrist brace, but it wasn't helping. She didn't want to have surgery. She was working as a receptionist, so she was doing a lot of typing, and it started to interfere with her job because she couldn't type for, it would get very severe at 15 minutes where she would have to stop. So I had told her to start taking vitamin B6, and she did right away. She started taking it 3 times a day, 50 milligrams. And after about 6 weeks, her symptoms were almost gone, and at 8 weeks, completely resolved. So it was that simple. And you need zinc to be able to convert B6 from an inactive to active form. So I advised her to take zinc along with the B6, and it helps her, and she's doing great. So that may help you if you are suffering from hypothyroidism or you just have carpal tunnel. It will most likely work for you. So if you have any questions about that, please put it in the comments below or send me a private message. And please like and share the video. Thank you so much for watching.